Hello everyone! Sa ating panglimang solve problem sa separation of variables, we have to obtain the general solution of the following differential equation. We have dy over dx is equal to y squared minus 4. Again, kailangan muna natin siyang gawing separable. So we have to make all of the function of x kasama ni x at lahat ng function of y ay kasama ni y. So to do that, kailangan nating i-multiply yung buong equation natin kay dx kasi siya ay nasa denominator. And then, pag minultiply natin, this will become y squared minus 4 times dx, function of y kasama ni dx. So, isasabay na rin natin na i-multiply kay 1 all over y squared minus 4. So, it becomes dx all over y squared minus 4. Sa ating left side, mawawala si dx, magkakaroon ako ng y squared minus 4. Ito siya. And then, on our right side, mawawala ngayon si y squared minus 4. Ang matitira na lang ay si dx. Now, for this part, makikita natin na si 1 over y squared minus 4 is a function of y, and then dx, this is just a function of x, then our differential equation is separable. Etong part na to, wala tayong problema. Integral of dx is just x, pero dito, integral of dy all over y squared minus 4, hindi agad natin makukuha yung integral niya directly. So, we can look for ways. Yung isa muna na pwede nating tignan is, pwede ba siyang ma-lead to ln? So, we have y squared. Pag kinuha natin yung derivative 2y, kailangan nating makaproduce ng 2y sa ating numerator and hindi natin siya magagawa. So, lipat na tayo, hindi siya ln. Ito bang part na to, meron ba siyang kamuka sa ating inverse trigonometric function? And then, as we scroll through the formulas, so parang wala tayo makukuha na direct. So, what we can do is we have to look for other ways. Kung mapansin natin, we have y squared minus 4. Ito is difference of 2 squares. Y squared, and then, ang 4 ay 2 squared. So, pwede natin siyang ihiwalay in terms of y squared minus 4, difference of 2 squares. We have dy is equal to y plus 2 times y minus 2. Bakit? Kasi, naisip natin na hindi siya pwede sa inverse trigo, kaya natin siyang gawin using partial fractions. So, we have to first simplify itong part na to by using partial fractions. Then, by applying partial fractions dito sa ating left side ng ating equation, so we have 1 all over y plus 2 times y minus 2. Ihiwalay muna natin si dy. Since order 1 sila, si y plus 2 and si y minus 2, ito yung form ng kanyang partial fraction. So, you have a all over yung una natin na y plus 2, plus we have our b, and then yung pangalawa natin na y minus 2. To solve for the values of a and b dun sa partial fraction natin, first we have to multiply both sides of our equation dito sa nasa denominator para maging single line lang yung ating equation. So, multiplying here, mawawala na si y plus 2 times y minus 2 dito. Ang matitira na lang ay si 1. That is for the first one. And then sa ating right side, so you have a all over y plus 2. Pag minultiply natin dito, mawawala si y plus 2. Ang naiiwan ay si y minus 2 at si a. And then dito naman kay b, so mawawala ngayon si y minus 2, ang natira ay si y plus 2 and then si b. Then let's start with the highest degree. Simula muna tayo para makuha natin yung value ng a with y sub 1 or y. Dito sa ating left hand side, meron ba tayong y? Wala, so this is 0. For our a, meron ba tayong y? Isa. So this is, kunin natin yung coefficient. So this is 1 times a, kaya ito ay a lang. Dito sa ating b, so same, 1 lang din, 1 times b, so this is b. Solving for the value of a, so we have our a is equal to negative b. Dalawa yung unknowns, kaya kailangan natin tumingin sa mas mababang degree, which is y sub 0. So sa y sub 0, so this is just a constant. So ano ba yung constant sa ating left side? So we have 1, and then kay a, meron tayo na negative 2. So this is negative 2a. Kay b naman, meron tayong positive 2b. Then we know that our a is equal to negative b. Substituting negative b kay a, so this is negative 2 times negative b. Negative 2 times negative b, so this is positive 2b. 2b plus 2b, this is 4b. And then, multiplying both sides of our equation by 1 over 4 para si b na lang matira, our b is equal to 1 over 4. But, our a is equal to negative b. So, yung negative nito, our a is equal to 1 over 4. Nakuha na natin yung value ni a, nakuha na natin yung value ng b. Now, it's time to substitute. ibabalik na natin siya ngayon dito. So we have our 1, y plus 2 times y minus 2. Etong part na to, this is equal to this part. So ngayon, ito yung isa-substitute natin dito and then tsaka natin siya i-multiply dun sa natira na dy. Ano nga ba yung a natin? A is negative 1 over 4, ang b ay 1 over 4. So this will become negative 1 over 4, a all over y plus 2 plus b natin is 1 over 4 all over y minus 2 and then tsaka natin siya minultiply kay dy is equal to dx. Ano yung gamit ng pagkuha ng partial fraction na reduce natin etong part na to ng ating equation into this. And then etong part na to, kaya na natin kuhanan ng integral. Ngayon, simplify muna natin siya. Ilalabas natin yung constants natin. We have negative 1 over 4. Ang natira ay si dy over y plus 2. And then, si dy, natira pa rin sa loob. Nilabas natin yung positive 1 over 4. And then, yung nasa denominator ay y minus 2. Doon naman sa ating right side, so integral of dx. So, nilabas natin yung constants, kinuha natin yung integral nung buo nating equation. Now, let us solve. So, we have dy all over y plus 2. Sa unang tingin, makikita agad natin na si y plus 2, pag kinuha natin yung derivative is dy plus yung 2 natin, derivative nito is 0. So, yung nasa denominator, direct derivative niya yung nasa numerator. So, this may lead to ln. Same here dito sa pangalawang term natin. Pero again, let's take it step by step. Idaan natin sa paglet para mas clear yung pagkuha natin ng ating solution. Pero kapag medyo sanay na kayo sa pagkuha ng integral, pwede nyo nang idiretso kay ln. Pero gawin pa rin natin to. So, we let u be equal to y plus 2 and then derivative du and then derivative of y is dy. Derivative of a constant is 0. Kaya ito ay nanatili na dy. For our second part, so we let v be equal to y minus 2. Derivative is dv. Derivative of y is dy. Derivative of negative 2 constant is 0. Kaya dv is equal to dy. Then we substitute u kay y plus 2 and then du naman kay dy. So dito. Then same kay v, substitute natin kay y minus 2 and then si dv substitute natin kay dy. So our equation would look like this. So we have negative 1 over 4, we have du over u plus 1 over 4 dv over v is equal to integral of dx. So ito ay ln of u, ito ay ln of v. So this is negative 1 over 4, binaliktad ko na ulit, so inuna ko lang si ln of v, itong positive part na to, minus 1 over 4 ln of u, and then integral of dx is just x plus c. So preparation na to para sa rules of logarithm na gagamitin natin mamaya. And then let us multiply both sides of our equation by 4 para mawala na yung fraction part dito. So multiplying it by 4, so this becomes ln of v minus ln of u, 4x, and then yung c natin, 4 times c. So eto na yung value ng c sub 1 natin. Kasi 4 is a constant, times c is a constant, and then yung sagot is also a constant. So we let that be c sub 1 para isa na lang yung para sa constant natin. And then eto, rules of logarithm, difference nung dalawang logarithm with the same base. So we have ln of v all over u is equal to 4x plus c sub 1. So what I will be doing is, etong buong equation nito is gagawin kong exponent na ang base natin is e. If I make it that way, ce, tapos ang exponent ko is ln v of u, so yung v of u ma-isolate ko na. So this will become e, and then ln of v of u, so mawawala na tong part na to, so this will become v over u, and then this becomes, yung sa right side naman natin, e raised to 4x plus c sub 1. Ngayon na nandito na tayo, ibalik na natin si v. What is our v? V is equal to y minus 2, ang u natin is y plus 2. So this is y minus 2 all over y plus 2, and then dito naman sa ating right side, so ang operation dun sa exponent natin is addition. So I can separate them na same base. So we have e raised to 4x times e raised to c sub 1. Kasi if you are multiplying exponents with the same base, ang ginagawa lang natin is ina-add natin sila. So baliktad lang yung ginawa natin. From here, pumunta tayo dito. Then e raised to c sub 1, this is also a constant. So we let that be c sub 2. Our final answer is y minus 2 all over y plus 2 is equal to, again, e raised to c sub 1, this is c sub 2, times e raised to 4x. This is our final answer.